So guys, we reached North Bay, and now we'll be going on this glass boat to see the corals. Excited? Oh my god. I'm nervous also because I don't know swimming and I'm scared of water. But let's hope for the best. Guys, look how gorgeous this place is. This is North Bay in Andamans. Oh my god. It is stunning. But there is, I think, no habitat over here. I'm not sure. People only come for working. Imagine being stranded over here. There's a restaurant. They even have like a lot of stuff happening over here. There's a lot of water sports over here, guys. And but Shoaib and I won't be going to any one of them other than glass boat because I dread the water. I can't swim, neither can he. So both have fear, a lot of fear of water. He'll be going to only glass boating. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. It's so hot. I want to go explore Subi on top. Basically, North Bay is nothing. It's just an island where you can do water sports. That's it. And if you're a person who doesn't like water, good luck because you're not going to find anything here. Person who's really scared of water and all, water sports is not your jam. There's no use coming to North Bay. You know? You can go in that glass boating, right?
Yeah.
How much does the entire thing cost?
790.
Yeah, 790 per person. 790 per person it is. You will be taken to North Bay and then Ross and then back to Port Blair. So yeah, it's nice. The only thing is I feel it's going to rain. I'm not sure, but I feel like going and climbing on top of those things. So you're waiting for that glass boat, right? What exactly is it? Have you gone in that before? First time. So basically like what? You can see through that glass boat, right? Sounds interesting. You can see the corals and reefs and all those things, I guess. Right? So yeah. You know what? I think you guys should carry snacks. It's so damn expensive. Like a normal water bottle is 50 bucks over here. Thumbs Up, which is apparently 40 bucks, they charge 50. So you know, just carry your own snacks, and there is no restrictions on to carrying bags. You can just carry a backpack with you. That's not a great deal at all. And yeah, it's nice sitting by the sea doing nothing. Dehydration is a real thing. It's really hot. Look at these rocks, and look at that rock. It looks like a glove, है ना? वो rock देखो, it looks like a glove, right? Beautiful place, Magar. This is the waiting area for all the activity sports. You can sit and show. The glass boat has come. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's a glass boat. It has a glass in the center. So apparently it is a normal boat but has glass over here. So you can see things that are going to happen. Brain. Brain corals. This is the place we came to eat, and this is called a North Pearl restaurant, and it is by the beach. We're going to eat some food because we're famished. So yeah, just removed all my makeup. I am so done with makeup. I can't deal with it. It's melting off regardless of how much setting spray I put, how much prepping and priming I did. I'm sweating so hard, and wearing a mask, I'm feeling extremely suffocated. So off the makeup box. Look at this. The weather over here is turning out to be really beautiful. I hope it rains, but if it rains, it becomes a problem for us. So I'll just show you guys. So this is the weather right now. Look how so stunning it is. Momoji, is it gonna rain? Is it gonna rain? It's a very beautiful weather, right? Suddenly it will become hot, right?
2 minutes.
What are you? You're working in the meteorology department or what? Have you come here before, North Bay? No. But you never tried doing any sports. We both are
We
tired.
just went around the island.
Hmm.
See how it is changing the weather. सुबह इतना गर्मी था, अब देखो कैसे हो
Hmm.
By the time we reach Ross Island, I think it will start raining.
I hope it rains. In Chennai, it's so hot. Look at that guy chilling over there. He's just like, I don't care about this world. I need to sit. It's beautiful weather. Look at the winds. Suddenly, it started becoming windy. Oh, it is actually good and cool. Suffering like anything. I was saying it was so hot. Mother Nature, God. So, just enjoying the can't get over.
How did you like the food?
It's too spicy. I ordered the Szechuan chicken fried rice. Just look at the color. Yeah, exactly. It's so spicy. I had to literally take plain rice and then mix it with it and eat it. And if you're a person who has very spice tolerance, be away from it. Legit. And there's no salt. Okay, now we are going to Ross Island. Yeah, and we couldn't finish our food, so we parceled it off because by the time the food came, it was already 1 hour. I'm already exhausted. Where are you going? We will be going to Vandoor. Guys, the water is beautiful. So we got down here. We'll climb up there. It's a gorgeous place. Already I can tell. This is Ross Islands, guys. Let's go. What you doing? The water is beautiful, no? See, Indians, they only put kachada like this. Gorgeous. Let's go. We have some ticket counters. Guys, this is paradise. Look at the water. Yeah, they are friendly. It's such a beautiful water. Oh, look. Hello, good morning. So sweet. Oh, there are deers roaming around here. And
You'll find peacock now.
can I tell a cheesy line? Huh? They might be deers, but you're the most dear to me. What's your reaction for that? सही है? Hi! Oh, there are so many. Look so beautiful. So we can't we touch them?
You can, but they'll run.
And store.
That's a store for Britishers. That can.
Britishers.
They're
Nice.
full British ka colony.
Mm.
It was the petrol pump.
But there's no habitat even here, right? So where are we going now?
भैया जी बताइए हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं अभी?
ये आपका आइलैंड का हाईएस्ट पीक तक जाएगा सर, सब पता तो लेके जाएंगे क्या क्या है।
ओके।
और एक लाइट हाउस भी है, देख सकते हैं। सामने जो व्हाइट बिल्डिंग दिख रहा है सर आप, ये आपका बेकरी था उस समय का, ब्रिटिश टैंकर्स का
Bakery.
क्या बोलने से लाइट एंड साउंड शो होता है इवनिंग में आता है।
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence.
लेफ्ट साइड से ये था आपका ग्राउंड का कोऑर्डिनेट करा इंजीनियर ऑफ रिसर्च करा लेफ्ट साइड जो नीचे एरिया दिख रहा है ये था आपका सेक्रेटरी सचिवाल एरिया लेफ्ट या राइट ये जो भी बिल्डिंग डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ था सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर जापानीज बॉम्बिंग में डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर 1939 सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर जापानीज द्वारा डिस्ट्रॉय किया बिल्डिंग दिख रहा है ये था आपका चर्च रोमन कैथोलिक चर्च जनवरी का इसका सिटी आइलैंड का ब्रिटिश आपका ये इंक्लूड करता था बिल्डिंग दिख रहा है ये तो आपका ट्रूप वगैरह ब्रिटिश सैनिक रहने के लिए
सोल्जर्स का क्या? बैरक।
आपका हाईएस्ट सिटी आइलैंड का जो सी लेवल के 200 हाइट का सर नीचे लाइट होते जाते आ जाइए 15 मिनट टाइमिंग है आपका ठीक है गाड़ी नंबर
देख कितना गिरो गिरो मत ब्लॉक का वाट लग जाएगी
You're cute when you speak like that. I like it. What is this chilling point?
लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ Sirasa.
Yeah? Are you gonna carry me back? Huh? Upamutta. I have no energy to walk back. Legit done. You've come here before? For this we came here. Oh my god. This is worth it. Look at the view. Oh my god. Clouds and heaven. Holy. That's so flippin' gorgeous. Not even kidding you. You can't go there. Stunning view, guys. This is Ross Island. Oh yes, it's so beautiful. That's the lighthouse, right? Successfully came on top with such great difficulty. This is not a ride, this is a roller coaster ride. Literally. How did you like it?
Very good.
अंग्रेज का पोस्ट इनकम से तुम साला औरत लो मर्द खजूती का बड़ा बड़ा रहेगा होटल में क्या करोगे
लेके मैंने सोचा नहीं लेके आएगा कोई
It's so flippin' hot. You're being a good husband, tell why? You're holding my bag, Momoji. You're so sweet. This looks haunted and creepy, everything, no? No. We spotted one rabbit over there. It's right there. This is the time they come, huh?
Yeah.
Where is the peacock? I can hear it.
In some time they'll come down. They are all on the
The sea of deers. Look at this guy. Hi man, what's up? How you doing? Why are you guys running away from me?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Excuse me. Turn around. Look at me. Hi. Buying the kulfi, which is kind of famous over here. Guys love malai. You're gonna love this. There's so much of malai, you know. It's really good. I love it. One of the best kulfis I've ever had. So coming to Ross Island, you got to try this out. Finally over. We are going back to Port Blair. Port Blair to Manarghat. That's going to be another hectic journey. It was really tiring, but really, really good. Thank you. There's a huge sense of relief that I actually removed my makeup. I can breathe. I'm so tired. I want to just wash my face. So change into something cotton and go to sleep in an AC room with blanket. If you go home, what do you want to do? Eat up. Even I'm hungry. But the biryani looked good. Thank you. I love you. So fully. How much time? 10 minutes? 5 minutes? Port Blair is so close by, guys. I can't wait to go home. We'll go home, eat and sleep. Sounds like a plan. Then we will leave to Manarghat. Look at the clouds.